This is what happens when you bolt the most advanced suspension system onto a stock Toyota 4Runner and then throw a supercharger right on top of that because the stock power levels weren't enough. This customer wanted technology, performance, and more power. And I think we've nailed it with this setup. We've got the SDI E-Clik Active suspension system on here, through on a set of the Total Chaos tubular upper control arms, as well as a set of the Total Chaos Expedition Series lower control arms. In the back, we've got the full trailing arm setup with the adjustable track bar, lifting the rear 2 inches via a set of Elevate rear lift springs. To not only make sure it's the most technologically advanced suspension out there, but also one that's bulletproof, where this customer is not afraid of anything breaking or letting them down on the trail. This system from SDI, their Active E-Clik suspension system, is 4 independent shocks that are all tied together in a central brain unit that SDI provides you. Not only does this sensor have a roll pitch braking and G meter built into it, but it's also taking 12 different inputs off of this Toyota's OBD2 sensor, constantly making adjustments over 500 a second to dial in each shock independently for your specific needs. It does have 3 different modes built into it: street, trail, and desert, along with custom settings that you can dial in through the SDI controller that's mounted inside the cab of the 4Runner. This is a really cool suspension system that's gonna give you awesome performance off-road, as well as a great ride on-road. It's gonna allow you to make individual adjustments depending on the weight of the vehicle, your tire size, the trail or type of terrain that you're on, as well as if you're carrying extra gear, towing, or any other sort of modifications that you made to your vehicle. Including what's under the hood, one of my favorite parts, a Magnuson Supercharger. Now, there was a little bit of fitment issues with the Magnuson and the SDI system, since they're both fighting for space underneath the hood of this vehicle, but we were able to get with SDI and figure out the perfect place to mount the brain unit of the whole active suspension system, not interfering with the supercharger, and we've got this thing dialed in and ready to rock. If you guys are looking to upgrade your ride, check us out at battlebornoffroad.com or give us a call. My sales guys are here to help point you in the right direction of what's going to work best for your needs and your budget.